Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW Z4 or BMW X4 with a 4-cylinder gasoline 2.0 liter engine, this is engine N20 or N26 guys, and you're trying to find the torque specs for the crankshaft bolt, stay with us, that's what we'll be explaining today now guys. That same N20 and N26 engine has been used in BMW Z4, X4, X1, BMW 3 Series, 5 Series, 4 Series, multiple BMWs guys. But many of you ask me specifically for Z4, X4, okay, because there is very limited information for those vehicles. What are the torque specs for the crankshaft bolt? Okay, crankshaft bolt, enormous amount of torque. We're going to share that today guys. Quick introduction. Now, every single car we get at the shop, including this one here guys, we make at least 200 videos. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return guys, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need guys any special tools, anything that we use here, torque wrench, anything like that, we will guys have the links in the description of the video below, and you can see where we can get the tools that you need to do the job. So now this is guys a 2013 BMW 528i, but as I said, that same engine has been used on multiple BMWs as well guys. And this is right there, okay, this right there is your crankshaft, okay, you can see crankshaft bolt on the engine, crankshaft bolt right there guys. So how you guys get that thing tight? Okay, super important. Now you're going to need some special tools guys. Okay, and let me, before we start that, we did a timing chain replacement because that timing chain failed at only 87,000 miles. Everything's in pieces right there, so I want to show you quick. Okay, and jump treated on the intake camshaft, but I don't think it damaged it, damaged the valve, so I think we got lucky this time. But now we found the torque specs and all that stuff for the crankshaft bolts, camshaft, so we want to share it with you. Always guys, you must consult your manual, your service manual for your specific vehicle, engine model, configuration, year and all that stuff, because things can differ. You're going to need a special tool guys. This is the special tool, flywheel holder. Okay, you install that on the transmission, it goes in the flywheel and it holds it. Otherwise guys, you will not be able to get that bolt tight and that bolt loose. Once you install the tool guys, you're going to need, okay, you need a torque wrench. Okay, you're going to need a torque wrench. Let me get one quick. So this is guys the torque wrench. Okay, and first step guys, for our model, always consult with your manual for your specific one, but first step was, okay, we needed to go guys 100 Newton meters on the bolt. 100 Newton meters, you hear the click, you stop immediately. Second step guys, okay, what is second step? Second step, we had to use a 3/4 inch, okay, breaker bar like that. Heavy duty tools guys, we have the link in the description of the video below. We had to use a cheater pipe on it. Okay, we put a huge pipe. A person was holding the flywheel holder to make sure it doesn't fall off. And the second step guys is 270 degrees. 270 degrees. This is guys 3/4 of a revolution, because one revolution is 360 degrees, 270 is 3/4 of a revolution. And we did 90 degrees, then another 90 degrees, then one more time 90 degrees. So first step 100 Newton meters, second step 270 degrees guys. So that was for our engine. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.